So let's take a look at our OneDrive. Go ahead and log into Outlook.com and go ahead and click on this blue square up in the upper left and pull down to OneDrive. So what is your OneDrive? Your OneDrive is a storage space. It's like having a place up in the clouds on Microsoft servers to save your items so that whenever you log into your account, you're able to access those items. You can share those items, you can edit them, you can take a look at them, and you can organize them. So you'll notice my OneDrive, I have a lot of different folders here, and I can manage these folders by clicking on them. I could share this folder with someone else or get a sharing link just like I could on a document, and then copy that sharing link into an email and send it to other people to be able to take a look at. Let's say I had a whole ton of photos and instead of making attachments, I could just put them in a folder here. So how do you make a folder? Well, you can click New, and you'll notice that you can make a new folder. You can make a new Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, even do a survey or a plain text. So if I click on New Folder, I can enter my folder name and click Create, and my new folder will be created. Here it is. Notice it puts it alphabetically, but I can come up here and sort it by name, modified, by size, ascending, descending, and I can just rearrange and drag and drop in an order that I would like, and then I could save my sort order after that. Notice that I can also change my view to things like list, compact list, tiles, and photos. I have mine on tiles. Okay, so let's say I wanted to put some of these items into my new folder. Well, I can put a check mark here on these items, and then I can come up here and say Move To, and I'll see a list of all my folders. And so if I want to move this into my new folder, then I just click on My New Folder, and then click up here on the blue Move. And now those items are going to be in the My New Folder. So let's take a look, the My New Folder, and here the items are moved in there. Now, of course, I can also delete items. When I select them, then I'm able to delete. I could download to my computer. I could copy them to another photo, or share those items. So those are all my items. So if I'm in a particular item, like email attachments, I will see my breadcrumb tray up here. And if I want to go back to my files, I can click here. I can also come over here and look at recent ones that I've been working on, all my photos in a mixed up fashion. I put mine into folders. For example, in this one, I have it there, and then by year, and then by hike. And inside each of these folders are my photos. But if I want to see all my photos in a big, from all my folders all kind of mixed up, I can do it this way. And you'll notice that I'm seeing them by year taken. So I'm at June, May, down over on the right hand side, March 2017, and I can go clear back to June 2013, which is the earliest that I've taken. So I can click back up here and go back to my files on my OneDrive. If I want to upload items from my computer, I can just click on Upload, Files, or I could upload an entire folder from my computer. And I just click on Files, and then I navigate to where the file is, click on it, and click Open, and it will upload it into my OneDrive folder. Now, the OneDrive also has another way to do this. You'll notice that I'm online. I went to Outlook.com and clicked up here and went to my OneDrive. I can get items into my OneDrive also by just putting them into my OneDrive folder. Now, I created a shortcut to my OneDrive folder, but I can come down to the bottom of my computer and click on the file folder, my File Explorer, and I can find my OneDrive here. Okay, and it's in my, I put it in my libraries. So these are all the items that are saved up in the clouds, but if I put something in this folder, it will automatically upload to my OneDrive. That's the wonderful thing about it. Now to create a shortcut for your desktop, go ahead and open up your OneDrive. And once you're in your OneDrive, you can just pull down this little cloud icon to your desktop. And now, anytime you put something into this folder, it will automatically be uploaded. Once it's finished uploading, you're going to see a check mark next to the item. If you see instead a refresh arrow, then it hasn't been all the way uploaded to the OneDrive yet. You'll have to get back online. But now you have a backup. So you have this saved on your computer. This is the computer. And let's take a look at this France, Italy, May 2018. Let's go back out online. Now you'll see the HTTP, the www thing. We're online, and let's see, yep, France, Italy, May 2018. That is also saved up in the clouds as a backup. So I hope that helps you get started with your OneDrive.